And we back again with Xavier. Again, hold on. This setup. Oh my goodness. We got 1, 2, 3 splash. No, 1, 2 splasher. This is that little hi-hat setup right here. We got a cowbell up here. This whole thing here, like, what in the world? Okay. Oh my gosh. He got to reach behind his head to get this one. Oh my goodness. Xavier, how many days was you shooting out there with them? Yeah. That ring getting in the way. Wait a minute. Where's that cowboy that he just hit? Yeah, that was it. What this one is? Where's that at? I missed the cowbell. Bruh. No, we're going back. Cause that. That's clean. Xavier done did it again. And that's it for today's video. Make sure to hit that like button. If you are new, hit that subscribe button. If you've been watching for a while and you forgot to hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. We about to hit 300,000 subscribers, and we can do this before the new year. Let's hit that subscribe button. Also, guys, if you're interested, make sure to check out my drum course. Links down in the description box below. Shouts out to everybody that has checked out the drum course, and man, I can't wait to see y'all videos that you're gonna send 30 days from now. It's gonna be crazy. And yeah, Xavier, this setup, this is be on the lookout. This setup just reminded me there's a crazy video idea I'm working on with Sweetwater. Everything checks out, you're gonna see it pop up in your notifications, so be on the lookout for that. All right, I'm out of here. Xavier, bruh. Stop practicing in circles. Start actually building killer chops today.